Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss about a part of the nutrition, that is vitamins. This is part 1 and this is the introductory part where we are going to discuss about the definition of the vitamins, different types of vitamins and what are the scientific names of those vitamins. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. So, what is vitamin? A vitamin is an organic molecule which is considered as essential micronutrients needed by an organism in small quantity. So it is an organic molecule. That means the vitamin comes either from plants or from animals, means some of the living organism, which is considered as essential micronutrients. Essential, that means without vitamin we cannot live, and it is required in a very small quantity. Essential vitamins are not synthesized in our body, so that vitamins must be taken through diet. So, the dietary intake of vitamin is very important. We know that leafy green vegetables, then red vegetables, then different types of fruits and minerals, which are very much important for our body. We get the vitamins from that. Now, examples of vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, D, vitamin K, etc. Now, vitamin B1 was the first vitamin to be isolated from rice bran in the year 1910. You have to remember that which one is the first vitamin to be isolated and in which year. Now, we all are familiar about vitamin A, which was isolated from cod liver oil in the year 1913. So, regarding the classification of vitamins, vitamins are basically classified into two parts. One is fat soluble vitamins, means these vitamins like vitamins A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, they can be dissolved in the fat, but they cannot be dissolved in the water. And this is the water soluble vitamins, vitamin B complex and C, which can only be dissolved in the water and they cannot be dissolved in the fat. So basically, on the basis of the dissolution, there are two types of vitamins, fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Now, this vitamin B complex, there are 8 different types of vitamin B complex. So what is the classification of vitamin B complex? You can see vitamin B1, B2, B3, there is no B4, B5, B6, B7, there is no B8, B9 and B12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 different types of vitamin B complex. So what are the scientific names of the vitamins? Vitamin A, which is these four are fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A is known as retinol, vitamin D as argocalciferol, vitamin E as tocopherol, vitamin K as phytadione. So these are the four fat soluble vitamins and their scientific names. Now here are the name of some water soluble vitamins, that is the total vitamin B complex. B1 is known as thiamine, B2 as riboflavin, B3 as niacin, B5 as pantothenic acid. There is no scientific name for vitamin B6. Vitamin B7 as biotin, B9 is known as folic acid, B12 as cobalamin, and lastly vitamin C is known as ascorbic acid. So you have to go through the scientific names of the vitamins and you have to remember the names of the respective vitamins. Here are some questions given which you have to answer in your copy. So Thank you very much for your patient listening. This series of vitamin will continue to part 2, where we are going to discuss about some other aspects of the vitamin. So long, friends. Bye bye.